Alright guys, it's middle of December, or actually after Christmas now. Gonna make a bike check. Didn't get any of this for Christmas at all. So yeah, start with the bars, or the grips actually. Got the Sabrosa Skeletons. I think they're actually way nice. They just like to slide over some. And then you got the Fit Sky High bars. I spray painted them, that's why they're all torn up. And then the Sabrosa the Stolen Convict V3 stem with an FBM top bolt right there, and then the FBM forks. You got the Premium Resist, if you can see that, Premium Resist front tread, and then I got a Y303 front rim in purple, and then I've got a Fit Inman frame. I've got profile cranks, Shadow Conspiracy seat in clear, got a KMC heavy chain. I think it's way better than all the other light chains. Little weight doesn't matter to me, I guess. Yeah, I already said profile cranks, twisted PC pedals, Eastern Medusa chain wheel. I've got a Eastern back peg, I don't know which one it is though. And then right here I've got the newest thing on my bike so far, is the Rant back rim. I personally do not like it that much. The color on it is sick, if you could see it. It's like a shiny metallic blue. But it's not loud. Like, it's got a 3-pawl design. I know. Yeah, I know that wouldn't be the loudest ever, but it should be decent at least. But yeah, and then I've got a Fit bike called 2.25 back tread. And yeah, all together it weighs 20 pounds. That's actually pretty light. I'm actually trying to add weight to it now because I got it too light. I'll be buying new forks and new bars because the paint on them, like right there, that's horrible. That just makes my bike look like shit. It's worth $700. But yeah. Alright, peace.